All right, tow family, Jason here to show you how to put in an upgrade kit on your TM22G. Super simple. If I can do it, anybody could do it. The battery is typically on the side away from the switch. So you need a Phillips screwdriver or gun and a 9/16 wrench. Be hard to get a socket in there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure we remove that screw, and it does come with a little strap and your extra screws. Pull that off. Here's your wires, a little fuse box right there. You got to take the magnet out. That's where the wrench comes in. Take this. Out this old battery. Unplugged. There you go. Get rid of this old battery. All right. Take. Plug in. Before we put it all back together, I'm going to check and see if the light works. Lock it into place. And bam. I almost forgot about the Scotch tape. Take a Scotch tape, put it over your wrench. So you can put that bad boy in there like that. That's back in, so that's back in. So let's finish the install. I'm gonna take this. We're gonna plug the red one into the red. I mean, black into the ground into the ground. Even if it's not black, but we'll go with it. We got these two plugged in. Stick the wires back inside. You can take this, put this under there like that. Take these two screws, put them in right there. So now we have this secured. Put that there like that, just for a little bit of added security. Bam. So now you have converted your light. Trim the excess off, just me. So there you go, bam. Lights converted with the new upgrade external battery from Towmate. So when you're tired of using them, just get the external battery, be done with it. You know you got plenty of DeWalt's or Milwaukee's. You always got one charging. So this is a quick, easy way to not toss an old light or keep buying old batteries. So jbtow.com has all your towing needs. So slow down or move over, you'll save a life, and it's low.